Hi everyone. Just a quick note. If you just picked up your Baratza Encore ESP, after you get it out of the box, make sure one of the first things you do is check out what style of quick release knob you have installed on yours. I just purchased mine March 2024 and it came with the old style. Has a separate washer from the knob itself. Why is this important? Because this constantly comes loose when grinding. And that is going to cause for your burr to get out of alignment and some bad grind quality. Get a hold of Baratza support. They will be more than happy to send you out the new style that has a built-in lock washer. They'll do it absolutely for free, no questions asked. Super people, great support. Hope this helps. Take care.
I like the idea of having coffee go to this little cup. Practically it doesn't work. This is how it works. I have a setting in here. So I have to clean this little carpet every time, and that's not acceptable.